How to make another Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make another Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make another Facebook account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application here. Now the question is not whether you want to create another account, because obviously you can just create as many accounts as you want as long as you have a separate email and the phone number. So you can tap on create new account after you log out, then just tap on get started. Then simply enter the first name as well as the last name that you might want to use here. Then just tap the next option. After you do that, select a name, hit the next option here. Then you can simply select your date of birth over here. Then once you've done that, hit on set, then tap on the next option. Then you can select your gender. Now you can just use the email address or the mobile number. If you're not comfortable with mobile number, you can use your email address to sign up as well. Then once done, hit the next option, choose your password, and your Facebook account will get successfully created. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then make another Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.